Okay, we're going to calibrate the thickness pen in magnetic mode. First thing is to wake the pen up with pressing of any button, and it'll go through the AGR logo display and initialize the software. While it's doing that, you can get a gold ball either out of the tube, or you could have it saved and stored on the magnetic ball retainer on the base station accessory tray. Okay, once the pen wakes up, it shows which mode it's in, a square for capacitance mode, and we want to do magnetic mode, so I will press the round button. That will change modes, allow it to switch modes while the hourglass is displayed before going to the next step. Okay, when a battery symbol is displayed, you can hold the oval button for a few seconds and it will beep. At the completion of the beep, it displays the target value. Each kit comes with a set of targets. There's a thick target that is 0.2779 inches, and that's the target we wish to use for magnetic mode. To set the target value on a display, you can use the round button to increment the target thickness, the square button to decrement the target thickness, and you want to get to the displayed the right value for the target you have, 2779. Then you press the oval button once to lock that number in. It will show what the pen needs you to do. The pen needs to take an infinity reading of air. Plus 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 means a very thick reading. There's nothing above the tip. Then the pen will change to a zero display. You put your zero holder, which is nothing but it holds the ball centered with the tip. When you add the ball, it will sense that ball and beep and show an hourglass on the display that it's reading. This takes about 30 seconds to complete the reading of the zero. When that's complete, it beeps, it shows plus plus plus, so it wants another infinity reading. So you remove the ball and it'll take that reading and show an hourglass while it's processing. It beeps again that it's ready for the next step, which is putting on the thickness target of 0.2779 inches thick. You add your target, use the ball tool to transfer the ball and drop it on the target. It will beep that it recognized the ball was placed and start taking readings and show that hourglass on the display. At the completion, it'll beep. You can remove the ball and it'll do a long beep that the calibration has completed. The only thing now is you could test how close the calibration is to your desired target of 2779, and it's within a thousandth of an inch. You could also put on a calibration target holder, and you could put on another target with its thickness, and you could check that that thickness also is correct and it's within spec, and now you know it's calibrated through the range of thicknesses. Put your thickness target away, put your calibration target away, and you're ready to measure.